Hi guys, welcome back to Wonder Eats, and today I'm gonna take you guys to Ningxia Night Market here in Taipei. It's my first day here, I'm so excited. Very nice place so far, and the food is awesome. And we're gonna go see more food here. Let's go. And so we are here at the beginning of the night market, flanked by this play store and of course a 7-Eleven. They are everywhere here in Taipei and Taiwan, of course. So let's check out the night market, shall we? So much play game stalls rather. Whoa, look at the amount of food available here. Teppanyaki. Fresh guava juice. Interestingly, I can smell the stinky tofu from here. So the stall must be right around the corner, I guess. Here we have the family mart. So we got it. Let's try it. Avocado. Milk tea. Chicken feet. Chicken. Oh yeah, Taiwanese sausages, grilled sausages. Yeah, 120. Sounds good. Some chilies. Oh yeah. Look at the crowd stretches all the way to the back. This noodle and pancakes. So many unique creations can be found here. Wow. Hi. Suckling pig. Then we have cuttlefish. Massive crowd. It's a Saturday after all. Small intestine in large intestines. Wow. It's a little bit too much intestines. Stir-fry rice noodles. Alright, we finally came to an area where we can breathe. Right, we have steamed pork dumpling, traditional. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm gonna come back around for that. Steamed buns. Some juices. Steamed spring rolls. Ooh. The queue is at the back. So this handmade fried sweet potato rolls. interesting contraption. Of course, we have the sausages, the braised pork. Look at that. Smells great. Look at those eggs. Yakitori. Nice. Will excuse. The dessert stop opposite. And then we have a scallion pancake right over there. Wow. Back to the crowd. Vietnamese spring rolls as well. Wow, look at that. Cooked shrimps. And we've come to the end. Flanked by taro balls on the left as we make our way out. So what you guys think of Ningxia Night Market here in Taipei? Hope you guys have fun with me making one pass. I'm gonna try this food right now and then head back to the hotel. Very tired today. Alright, thanks for joining me. Do like and subscribe. See you guys in the next videos.